guys, what's going on? Anyway, today the new skins have came out in the shop. The Paint Team Leader and the Sushi Master. I can get the Sushi Master because I have 1,600 V-Bucks right now, but I'm not sure I want to get it yet. I really want to get the Scoundrel skins. Anyway, so this is my newest skin added to the collection, my ninja skin. This is like my best skin I have so far out of all of these Battle Pass skins. My second best is probably this one. So I'm gonna look up a combination. I think Drift looks the best for this one. Yeah, he kind of looks ninja, a samurai. He kind of looks like a samurai. And the ripped edge. Just leave it. I have the fancy golf ball. This is my Battle Pass at tier 59. Anyway, today I'm gonna be tearing down Wailing Woods. I'm gonna be tearing all the trees down because it has a lot of trees. I mean, a lot of trees. So anyway, let's get started into the video. So I'm on the Squad's Playground mode. A new mode has been added, Soaring 50s. And Sniper Shootout is back. But I'm going on Playground because I can just break everything, I guess. And so don't forget to subscribe to my friend Quentin's account, XXRaffleXX. And this is not a account. So basically, I don't play, I do stuff. Like I break down stuff. Maybe later you'll see me tearing down Tilted. I tried it once. It was I didn't finish. Because you're timed on Playground mode. Paradise Palms is probably going to be the hardest one. I don't know if I'm going to do that ever. Pleasant, not so bad. But right now, I'm tearing down Wailing Woods. All those trees gone. Anyway, let's get started and land right where we want to land. I'm gonna be pausing the video a lot of times. Probably, I don't know. I'm gonna be pausing the video right now because, okay guys, here we are in Wailing Woods. Anyway, let's start breaking down trees. The best thing to do, it might take too long to just break down all the trees. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to find grenades and stuff. Here's a chest. I need the best gun to break down trees with if you want to be stupid and do that, because that won't get you any wood. I'm not saying it's that stupid, but I mean, it won't get you any wood, so there's no need. Oh, I have an RPG! Freak. That's lucky. That's freaking lucky. The last Playground mode, when I was trying to tear down Tilted, I got, like, a lot of guided missiles. Like, I got 3 guided missiles. Wait, no, it was 2 guided missiles. If I had 3 guided missiles, I don't know. I have 9 rockets. Not bad. Sometimes you get really unlucky loot from Tilted. Mostly everywhere, sometimes. Like, the loot's not bad on Playground mode, but still. I can't do this on solo or squad because I'll die from the storm. So yeah, let's get exploding the trees. 3, 2, 1. Subscribe. Boom. Of course, it would just be easier if you axed down, but am I tearing down the maze? No, I'm only tearing down the trees. Sorry, yeah, no. Guys, also, if you're sad about Moisty Mire going down, leave a like, because rest in peace, Moisty Mire. Paradise Palms, why? I mean, it was a good place. It was one of my favorites. I liked it. I don't know. I just like it. That explains why a lot of people don't use the Moisty Merman skin anymore. I used to want that skin really bad. At first I didn't, now I did. But now, it's funny because when Season 5 first started, I didn't even know Moisty Mire got replaced. Alright, so, Stink Grenade isn't gonna help me, obviously. Like I said, guys, I'm gonna be pausing the video a lot of times. Just like right now. Also, I cannot go on speed. I don't have that kind of edit yet. Sorry, so that's why I'm pausing it a lot. I hope my storage will let me do all this. Anyway, let's get... Oh, actually, I didn't even notice this. Well, I knew it was there, but... Here, also there's a secret bunker. Something to do with road trip or something, people say. I don't know. Yeah. I wonder if you can go down there when the mystery's solved, but probably not. Anyway, I'm gonna pause the video now. So guys, I got a guided missile. Wait, I thought they took those out. I just remembered them taking it out, but they didn't take it out. Oh, I have 14 missiles. What do you know? I'm gonna place this and then go ground pound. For Moisty! Moisty Mire!